How to measure for your new driveway gate. Measuring for your new gate is straightforward. Just follow these simple steps. Measure the opening between your existing posts or pillars at 3 horizontal points. First at the top, then in the middle, and finally across the bottom. Make a note of the smallest measurement. This helps check whether the pillars are perfectly upright or slightly out of alignment. There are 2 ways which you can hang your gate. The most popular is rear hung. Hinges are mounted to the rear of the pillar or post. Take the lowest of your 3 measurements and subtract by 40 millimeters. Second option is center hung. Hinges are mounted to the center of the pillar. Take the lowest of your 3 measurements and subtract by 150 millimeters. Let's talk about the height of your gate. Measure from the ground up to the height you want your gate to sit at. If your pillar has a cap, make sure to leave enough space underneath it. And don't forget to leave a bit of clearance at the bottom. We recommend about 40 millimeters between the bottom of the gate and the ground to keep things moving smoothly. The height of the gate is always taken to the highest point, which for most designs include the horns. These are always 100 millimeters in height. We offer a range of different horn designs that you can choose to complement your gate. If you are choosing a bow top or swan neck gate design, the difference between the highest point and the side is 1 foot or 304 millimeters. The highest point of this design would be at the center and include the horns. Adding some power. If you plan to add automation now or in the future, you will need to add a solid middle rail for above-ground automation or solid bottom rail for an underground system. This option can be found under automation in the drop-down box. If you're ordering online, use the width drop-down menu to find the closest size below your measured width. For a precise fit to the exact millimeter, feel free to call our team and order over the phone.